Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm a Realtor with Herron Real Estate. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Caspian model by Toll Brothers. This floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and has approximately 2,899 square feet. This is a 2-story home. Now this model home has been listed for sale. And if you're interested in purchasing this home, I'd love to assist you. Now, I do not work for Toll Brothers, but can represent you in the purchase. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email. Now here we're in bedroom 2. This bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 11 feet 4 inches. We have 8-foot interior doors, 10-foot ceilings. Here's the closet. Next we have the bath. We have this linen closet here. Wallpaper, quartz countertop, tile floor, and you have a walk-in shower. And over here we have the everyday entry. To the left, this is the garage entry door. Now over here we have a study. Now this comes as a flex room, and there is a structural option to convert this into a study. So you have a door here. And just across we have a closet. All right, we're gonna continue our tour over here in the common living area. And before we take a look at the kitchen, we're gonna see the great room over here. Now, this room is approximately 19 by 17 feet 2 inches. You have a nice view to the backyard with these large windows. Lots of natural light. Over here, this model features the open railing with wood stairs. And here we have the dining area. And here we have the kitchen. You have the waterfall quartz countertop. Gourmet kitchen layout here with the microwave oven combo. Here you have your 5-burner cooktop. Now Nocatee is a natural gas community, so you are going to have natural gas. This home does feature soft close as well. Under cabinet lighting. You have the stacked cabinets. Here's the pantry. Here we have the covered lanai, travertine, privacy wall over here. We have a pool with a nice seating area. If you're interested in new construction, looking to move to the St. Johns County area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Now it is important, if you would like to work together, that you give me a call first before visiting any builders or registering with any builders. Builders do have a strict policy of having your agent with you at your first visit. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. Take a closer look at the wood stairs. Model home features a lot of nice trim work. And here we are entering the loft. You have carpet up here. And then this is open to the foyer. So you're gonna have about 19 to 20 feet ceiling height here at the entrance. Over here, we're entering the primary bedroom. Now this bedroom is approximately 17 feet with 2 inches by 16 feet. Now we're entering the primary bathroom. We have quartz countertops over here, 2 sinks. Now the model features the super shower structural option. We have the large shower. There's also a structural option for a shower with a standalone tub and then just a shower on its own. We have a linen closet. Here's a water closet. Now here we're entering the walk-in closet. All right, let's continue our tour. Over here, we have bathroom 3, tile floor, 2 sinks, quartz countertop. Here you have the shower tub combo with the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. And just across we have the linen closet. Here we have the laundry room. Features cabinetry with a sink. Now since Nocatee is a natural gas community, you do have an option to have a gas dryer. There is a dedicated outlet for an electric dryer. All right, so that was the laundry room. Here we are entering bedroom 3. This bedroom is approximately 11 feet with 8 inches by 10 feet. As you can see here, it's been decorated as a nursery. You have the closet over here. Then here we have bedroom 4. And this bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 12 feet.